I just wanted to make this video for those of you considering the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Plus. It's a solid product, but there are a few cons I think you should know about before deciding if it's the right fit for you. Let's go over them. First, the height of the vacuum can be a bit of an issue. Its size makes it tricky to fit under some furniture. For example, if you've got a low bed frame or sofa, you'll need to measure the clearance to make sure it can slide underneath. If the opening isn't big enough, this could limit where it can clean. Next, edge cleaning is not one of its strong points. While the X20 Plus performs well in open spaces, it doesn't clean edges and corners as thoroughly as you might hope. So, you might need to touch up those areas yourself. Another point to keep in mind is the mop drying system. The mops are dried with cold air instead of hot, which isn't as effective and takes longer. Plus, the vacuum can get noisy, especially when it's emptying the dustbin or washing the mops. This could be annoying if you're sensitive to noise or working nearby. Let's not forget the positives, because there are many. The X20 Plus offers super flexible cleaning options, fast and precise mapping, and excellent obstacle detection, which helps it navigate your home with ease. It has large water and dust containers, so you don't have to refill or empty them too often. The automatic water refilling feature is a great touch, and the setup process is incredibly simple and user-friendly. On top of that, it has a strong battery life that can handle larger homes and well-patched software updates that keep everything running smoothly. Overall, it's a really good vacuum. But just make sure you're okay with those few limitations before buying.